This is a parliamentary dictation with speed of 60 words per minute taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly, February 2005, back page of exercise 11. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. It was a positive vote for a secular and a liberal government, a forward looking and modernizing government, and inclusive and transparent government. I am pleased to report that in the 16 months that the government of the United Progressive Alliance has been in office, we have implemented nearly 3/4 of the commitments undertaken in the National Common Minimum Program. The most important contribution of our party in government has been to bring the nation back to the politics of modernization and the economics of equity and development. The weaker sections of society, the marginalized, the depressed, the minorities feel a new sense of belonging and ownership in the destiny of our nation. Para. We have taken several steps to empower scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, minorities, women, children, the disabled, senior citizens, and people living in the far reaches of this vast land. A bill to provide for reservation of posts in civil services has been introduced. We have taken several steps to ensure that commitments already made in respect of the empowerment of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are fulfilled in a time-bound manner. A group of ministers on Dalit affairs is monitoring our efforts to promote the welfare of scheduled castes. The Department of Personnel is closely monitoring fulfillment of quotas in government jobs at the center. I urge state governments to also pay special attention to fulfillment of commitments to Dalits and tribals at the state level. The central government will make sure that at least 80% of the vacancies in SC/ST reservation quota jobs in government will be filled on a time-bound basis. Scholarships for higher education for SC/ST students have been significantly increased. A high-level committee is putting together information on the social and economic status of the minorities in India. We have also taken steps to economically and socially empower the minorities and widen education and employment opportunities for SCs, STs and minorities in the private sector. We propose to come forward with a new 15-point program for the welfare of minorities with specific timelines and targets in the future. Stop.